Beyonce. Beyonce. Why are you shouting my name in that man? I told you, stop calling my name anyhow. All of my health told you should solve it. You know, kind.
So boom some daddy let with you.
Give one. When brain so go hack a lunar. My question I hope you won't so good. Then I want him with brain so what is the carrying him so well? I'm so woman and say. Because he be the Kunya for coming chatting in name. Oh my, how would you get more? Oh, to Elamon, I'm some damn dark or anyhow to go on. What is it? Oh, my jibbe more tender. The one how much December for my body. As I gauge a hot table water. I think hope water. How I got to walk or cut to walk. More can I let one have to get her being egg. Me no move on a Beyonce. Table water. Now, Jagabella, Mamma, you now come back. My warrior, but I'm not. Get the go gonna have Jagab. Get her some. Man, them get her some deal couple. Get her some for go them for governor. I get a matter of me chicken. Treble blessing knock a couple. Is them cripple? Tenor. I get but I'm glad you are. See them gaga chuck on my home. Please, I don't want to laugh too much, but I have to laugh. I want to use this opportunity to tell everybody to be careful. So many people are using our account to dupe so many people. They can make video with our face. You would see, listen and hear that yes, it's Chief Imo that is talking. Perhaps it's not me, or perhaps I'm not the real person you are seeing. Don't fall a victim. There are so many Facebook accounts. They have opened so many accounts on Facebook using my face, my DP picture or my status picture or whatever to write to people, telling them to give them money, assuming I am the person begging them for money. Please, I cannot do that, and I have never done that before. My foundation is different. Anytime you see me asking for help for the foundation, you know how we normally do it. When you're gonna get deregi inbox, deregi anything, thinking that Chief Imo is crippled or his family is crippled and not me. They are looking for a way to pull down God's anointed. But God that work. So please be careful. Somebody telling you eating 5,000, you wanted 10,000. You did not work. You get 5,000, you wanted 100,000 in 1 hour. You can't use your brain. Please. Such is not existing. As far as I'm concerned, I don't know about it. So nobody should disturb me. Don't give anybody your money. Stay and work hard and God will bless you. Man, when hear pomzi, shemzi, chain money or whatever, they are fake. F-A-K-E. Fake. Be warned. God bless you. We love you.